the TD185 table locator system, and now I will show you how to set it. Okay, you can see that this is the screen, and you can set it by yourself, and it can be the TV screen or the just the screen. This is our TV screen, and I have powered on, and now I will show you how to connect our system with the TV screen. Okay, now I will show you how to install the host controller first, and we need to install the antenna, and then we need to use the HDMI cable. You can see that there are two sides, one connected with the controller and the other side with the TV screen. This is the HDMI port. Then we should connect the HDMI cable with the TV screen. You need to prepare the screen by yourself. And then this is the power supply. You need to power it on. This is a power jacket. You can connect it and then power it on. You can see the screen. You can see that. This is our logo. We need to wait for a little while. We need to wait a little while. Yeah, this is the table locator system showing. And you can see that there is a date on the right corner. It is the time, and this is the logo. And when you put the pages on the tables, it will show the page number and table number. It is very easy to operate. No need to download any software. So it is very easy. If you have other questions, just email us at support@retekess.com. You can see on the screen it shows the table number and pages. The page number is 2 and table number is 8. There are time at the right side corner. You can see that there is a time. It is 6 meters already. If the time is timeout, the color will be changed, and if the time is creating a timeout, it will be changed to red. You can see that on the remote control there are many keys. This is the set key. You need to set it. You can see that there is a general setting, such about waiting time, timeout duration, and creating a timeout. You can set the time. Original color is orange. You can set it based on it. There are several colors, just like this. And after you set it, you can press the OK, and then press the down key. This is the timeout color. You can also set it by yourself. This is the critical timeout. You can set it as red. Yes, after you set it, save, and yeah, we have set it